Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com, where we discuss about the process of detection of abnormalities in retinal images. Let me see about the process detection of abnormalities in retinal images. So we propose a method to identify the defects in the retinal images based on the extracted features. So here the defects in the retinal images may be classified as mild, normal, mild, and severe stage. So initially first the retinal images were taken. Some images were taken for training and some images were taken for testing. So in the training images, all the images were pre-processed, and after that illumination equalization and contrast equalization were also done, and finally the obtained images, from the obtained images candid is extracted. After the candid has been extracted, then the mean standard deviation, like that features were extracted and then they were saved. In the input retinal image, the input retinal image is first pre-processed to remove the noises from them, then green channel is separated. After then the candid is segmented. So for this we are using some morphological operations. Then features were extracted from the images, such as area, mean and standard deviation were calculated and were saved as features. Then the train feature values, test feature values. Since ANFIS is a supervised classifier, we have to give the true label for the classification process. So the true label, training image feature and the test image feature were also passed into the ANFIS classifier. First, the ANFIS classifier clusters the training features into the categories that we have specified, and then finds to which category the test image feature belongs, and produces the result. And finally, we are measuring the performance of the ANFIS classifier by calculating the accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity. Let me see the flow of the process detection of abnormalities in retinal images. Initially, the images in the test images taken, and green channels from the images extracted. The green channels in the images separated, and then green channels extracted from the retinal image. The green channels extracted from the consists of the useful information related to the defects in the retinal images. So it is extracted. Then after that pre-processing is applied. In pre-processing, illumination equalization and contrast equalization is done in addition to the filtering process. So in illumination equalization, the defects in the images due to the change in lighting conditions is corrected, and contrast equalization, the defects in the images due to the contrast variations were corrected. And then from the extracted green channels, candid is extracted. This process is done by using some morphological operations. This defect can be easily identified in the candid extracted image. So basically it contains all the visual information in the retinal images. Then after that, mean, standard deviation, entropy, area of the images were taken as features. The features were extracted for all the training images and also for the test images. So we are training the database with some images, and also we are testing an input image by calculating these features, and the values were given as input for the classifier. So for classification, we have using ANFIS classifier. So the ANFIS classifier classifies the images into normal, mild state and severe stages. The classifier matches the test image features with the training image features and finds the true label of the input test image, and based on that it gives a classified result. Finally, we are measuring the performance of our classifier that we used by calculating the accuracy, sensitivity and the specificity values. Let me see the execution of the process detection of abnormalities in retinal images. If you want to run the code, select the file main.m, which is located from the source code folder. Right click it and click on run file. You will get the guide which is needed to run the code. So first initially we have to train the database by extracting the features for all the images that is present in the database. Then we shall give any one of the input image which is present in the dataset. Then we are pre-processing it. Then for that we are applying histogram equalization, and the values were intensity equalization and histogram equalization, and the results is here. Then the candid extraction is done. So here the results were segmented on there. Then the features were extracted from the images. Then classification is done using the ANFIS classifier, and the result is just verified. So for the ANFIS classifier classifies the input images into normal image and abnormal images. Like that, the interest classifier classifies the input images based on the features extracted, and this is a supervised classifier. So we have to give some test features into it also. So the classifier classifies the result, and this is where special. So the input image is classified as normal. So if we give the normal, moderate, and the beginning levels were classified, and then we are measuring the performance of our classifier. So the performance of our classifier is measured, and the result will be displayed here. So here we have measured the performance of our classifier. Since we have all the images trained, the result is 100, and also we are calculating the sensitivity and specificity also. So we are calculating the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity of the overall performance. Thank you.